Hello and welcome to another product review video, and today we're going to be looking at the Turtle Wax headlight cleaner and sealant. Apparently it restores headlights that are hazy due to UV damage. As you can see, this is a headlight on the Land Rover, so we're going to give it a go. It's a two in one headlight cleaner and sealant, so it'll clean it, it'll take that thing off the plastic, and then it'll provide like a sealant over, and you need to use it every now and then to keep up the protection.
We'll see if it does
stop it from having future UV damage. It says to clean it first, so we're going to clean it first.
Okay.
This will be one of these things on older cars, so we're going to use some window cleaner first.
Nothing special.
You can use soap and water, whatever you've got to hand. So if you're thinking about buying this product, then we hope this review is...
that's a bit cleaned. Fair bit.
Bring it over there. As you can see, that's the muck that's come off it. It's a fair bit.
Now we're going to use this.
So we're going to use this stuff, give it a shake.
Use a microfiber cloth.
Yeah, so we're going to use microfiber cloths for these products.
So shake well, wash and dry lens, apply a small amount to a folded cotton cloth, rub on products, untie lens. Okay.
So we just rub it in a circular motion. It's basically a cutting compound, pretty much.
Colour sort of very light.
It's essentially a light cutting compound, basically.
You can see what it does at the top here, because this is the worst bit. You can see that.
It's just UV damage, really.
Well, that looks to me so these are quite big headlights, so I'm just going to, you can see it coming off, taking the old stuff off.
Yeah.
Obviously one or two stains inside which I won't get off. It's this top bit here is the real sort of tester. I personally, as I'm doing this, can see the difference.
Yeah, I can see the difference as well.
This lens on this vehicle is what, how old?
It's fairly old, yeah. So obviously
15 years plus old.
It's not going to come up like new, but it's going to be a bit better than it was, and it will provide some protection.
That was all grot up there.
That was all, I don't know if you can remember in the video, it's all hazy, so it has worked.
It was like this.
If we show you this, as you can see here, it's all... Oh, you can actually scratch it with your finger.
Okay, so it was quite bad.
So it does work.
You see it's taken a fair amount of muck off.
Yeah, so it takes dirt off as well, ingrained in the plastic.
So what I'm going to do is give it a buff, like it says. And that was a real quick job, and the improvement in that,
just with a couple of minutes spent on it, is quite a lot.
Quite fluffy. It's almost like got an oil in it. You see that bit there? And if you do it in the circular motion, and then
you can see that cleaning it up. Yeah.
So it's just let it dry.
That's definitely worked. Yeah.
Buff it off.
Obviously, if your car's a bit newer, you can use this stuff just to keep the headlights in good nick. But because this is older, obviously we're not going to get it up 100%. And obviously
I've got some old lenses.
Yeah. See if it does. See if it works on this. What is that? It's plastic as well.
Yeah. So just a little bit.
Yeah, it's improved that one. It's improved that one a little bit. I think there's got something inside of that one, to be honest.
It's quite shiny. So, anyway, I'd say that
definitely works.
A lot of this stuff is inside.
Yeah.
But if you've just got a car, you would sort your lenses out. The difference between this one and the other side is quite remarkable. So, I'd give it 10 out of 10, wouldn't you?
10 out of 10, and use it. I guess the more you use it, the better results you'll get eventually, as it is with anything.
I mean, it was easy to apply. It's heavy stuff as well. For 300ml, it's quite heavy. So easy to apply, didn't need a lot. To be honest, this would last you a lifetime. This, you don't ever need one of these, unless you're doing the Navy. Of course. Yeah. Anyway, this has helped you get sparkle back on your headlights. Can you please subscribe to our channel? It'd be appreciated.
And that's the product there. Thanks for watching.